How to create a Poshmark account or sign up for Poshmark. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a new Poshmark account. So to do that, first of all, download the Poshmark app from either your Play Store or your App Store and then simply open the app. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to a page somewhat like this where it'll basically provide you with 4 different options on how you can create a new Poshmark account. So the options are you can continue using your Apple account, your Google account, your Facebook account, or if you want you can also sign up using your email address. So for now we'll simply sign up using our email address. So I'll tap on the option sign up with email, and then you will be taken to this page where you'll have to enter your first name, last name and your email address. So let me do this real quick. Now once you've entered all of these, tap on the option continue, and then you will be taken to this page where you'll have to create a new password for your Poshmark account. If you want you can change your username, if you want you can change your country and your gender. And remember, if you have someone else's referral code, you can also enter that over here to get some additional perks and features. So if you have that, simply type them over here, but if you don't, simply leave this process as this is not compulsory, it's only optional. So I'll simply create a new password for my Poshmark account. Now once you've entered all of these details, tap on the option create and you'll have successfully created an account on Poshmark or sign up for Poshmark. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.